A cancer diagnosis can change lives and bring about a storm of stress, but a new program at a medical center in South Lincoln seeks to at least remedy some tension, giving patients time in the outdoors with a fishing rod in hand. 1011's John Grinvalds has the details on casting through cancer.
Madison, I took a trip down to the Bryan Health April Sampson Cancer Center where I got to catch up with one cancer patient who's been angling for years. But this program gave him his first ever experience with fly fishing, and he says it's been a meditative experience so far. It's a bright morning at the April Sampson Cancer Center. Sprinklers are feeding water to drought-pinched plants. The patients filing in for the first appointments of the day. Near the pond, John Huseman is somewhere else, away from the machines that tell him he's sick.
Have a chance to relax and think about a whole lot of things.
Wandering back through his life.
Well, my parents were big on fishing in like Wisconsin and Minnesota, so I can probably remember going fishing at 10.
The partnership between Bryan Health and Cornhusker Fly Fishers is trying to capture that feeling common for habitual anglers.
You kind of forget about everything else because you're pretty active casting, and you know, if you get a bite and it gets away, you're going after it again.
And there's even science backing it.
The repetitive nature of the casting, and then being in nature obviously is great and known to lower cortisol, which is the stress hormone. So it's really nice to get people out and enjoy that.
Now 72, John says the Cancer Center has become a begrudged part of his routine. He says his diagnosis of multiple myeloma snuck up on him.
Shocking. I've lived a very healthy lifestyle. Never smoked anything.
He says he's been told treatments could keep him alive for another 10 years, but he knows the road ahead is hard.
Nobody wants to die.
Here at the pond, at least patients have good company.
Fly fishers are probably the friendliest people, great welcoming group.
And the chance to learn something new. There's another Casting Through Cancer guided fly fishing event there coming up next Wednesday at 5. It's available to all patients at April Sampson, and they'll even be keeping it going through the winter, bringing some practice casting indoors.